So now this goes as a set. So if you like to make the cap, I will show you in this tutorial. So let us begin. I'm going to start with the magic circle, and we are going to make 12 double crochet into the magic circle. First chain 3 is considered as one double crochet in each of the rows. This is going to be the size of adult female head. The circumference usually will be like 21-22 inches. So the diameter we are looking for is about 5.5. So finish this 12 double crochets, and we are going to slip stitch to the top of the third chain. So we insert the hook there and get the next color. We get the next color and finish the slip stitch. Now my white yarn is here. I am going to bring it through the loops to finish that slip stitch. In this next row, we are going to increase in every stitch. So we have 2 double crochet in each of the stitches. We will have 24 double crochet in the end of this round. Now for the third row, we are going to get the pink yarn again, but I am not cutting the yarn. I am getting it by a slip stitch through these loops. And tighten that white a little bit, then you can continue. This row we are increasing on every second stitch. That means every second stitch will get 2 double crochets. So in the third row, we are going to increase every second stitch. Now again, we are going to get the next color from behind. Now this is the fourth row. In the fourth row, we are increasing on the third stitch. So 1 double crochet in the first stitch, 2 stitches. On the third stitch, we are going to put 2 double crochet. On the third stitch, we are going to put 2 double crochet. And again on the third, we are going to put 2 double crochet. Again we get the next color and tighten the white. Now we are on the fourth row, not fourth row, we are on the fifth row. So we are going to increase on the fourth stitch. First 3 stitches we are going to make 1 double crochet each, and the fourth one we are going to make 2 double crochet. Next 3 stitches we are just doing 1 double crochet each, 1, 2 and 3, and on the fourth stitch we are going to make an increase, that is 2 double crochet. Here we are going to do the next row, that is row 6. So we are going to increase on the 5th stitch. So that is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, and coming here on the 5th, we are going to do 2 double crochet. Again on the 5th one, we are going to increase 1, 2, 3 and 4. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, and this is 4. And on the 5th, we are going to increase 1 and 2. So complete this row like that. And this circle is almost 7 inches in diameter. Actually, it is a little more than 7 inches. So it will fit for a head size of 21 to 22 inches. So let us begin making the pattern. We are not increasing anymore. So I'm going to get the next color. Then I'm going to chain 1, 2, 3, 4. That is considered as 1 double crochet and chain 1. Then I am going to make a puff stitch. 1 yarn over, 2 yarn over, 3 yarn over. Go through that, and it's the same like the cowl we made in the previous video. I will show you one more time. Now we are going to skip the next 2, and on the 3rd one we are going to make a double crochet, and we are going to make chain 1. Then for the puff stitch, we yarn over hook, insert the hook into the same stitch. We are making the puff stitch in the same stitch as the double crochet. Insert the hook, bring up a loop. Now again yarn over hook, insert the hook, bring up a loop. Now again yarn over the hook, insert the hook, bring up a loop. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are going through yarn over hook and going through all the 6 loops on the hook. Now we have 2 more loops on the hook. Yarn over hook and go through that 2 loops. Then skip the next 2 and again make a double crochet, chain 1 and a puff stitch. Then yarn over hook and go through the 6 loops on the hook. Then yarn over hook and go through the remaining 2 loops on the hook. Now repeat this pattern. Now we finished that row, and we are going to make chain 3 and turn the work. Not chain 3, chain 4. We are going to make a chain 4, turn the work and do the puff stitch. Then skip 2, double crochet and puff stitch. So it will come on top of the double crochet. Now we get the yarn, white color yarn. It is right here, so we tighten that one so it is not that visible. Then drop the pink one to the wrong side. Now chain 4, 2, 3, 4, turn, make the puff stitch, then skip 2, this one and this one, and we are here. Now we cut the white yarn, so I'm not going to do the pattern anymore, and I'm going to slip stitch to the top of this one. Getting it out of the way. Now I'm going to bring this pink yarn through here. I'm going to keep this white yarn and crochet over it. I'm going to make the ribbing with the double crochets. Chain 2, then in each stitch I'm going to make a double crochet. Make double crochets in each of the stitches and come back and join with a slip stitch here. Now we finished this row and we are going to slip stitch the top of the third chain. Then we are making another chain 3 here. Then we are going to make a front post double crochet in the next one, and a regular double crochet in the next one, front post double crochet, regular double crochet, front post double crochet, and repeat this way till you finish, and we will make one more row. This creates a nice ribbing, and for this tutorial purpose I am going to stop right here. If you needed more, you can go 1 or 2 more rows, so when you flip it like this, it will have a nice ridge over there. So make 1 more chain and pull it out. Now it is time to weave the yarn tail. This one this is a little bit of edging here, but we can cut it off because we crocheted on top of it. Now this has to be weaved in. So this is the finished beanie.